Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast in Daphne, Alabama. We have this 2017 Ford F-150 Platinum Edition SuperCrew cab pickup. On the outside of the F-150, you have blind spot warning system, rain sensing windshield wipers, and a rear backup camera. Inside, you have spacious leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats with massage functions, automatic temperature control, and intelligent access with push-button start. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology. This one-owner 2017 Ford F-150 has less than 92,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection plan. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.